On 21st of September, Dokmoka large-size multipurpose cooperative society LEMS Limited organized annual general meet at Dokmoka under Mahamaya constituency. The meeting was chaired by Rajan Rongpi, Chairman, Bapuram Singh, Secretary, Yuvaraj Thousand, Senior Inspector, and Jitendra Rongpar, Junior Inspector, Cooperative Society, attended as an observer, and Bapuram Singh, Secretary, and all the Board of Directors of Dokmoka large-size multipurpose cooperative society LEMS Limited, along with the staffs, attended the meeting. Bapuram Singh, Secretary, while delivering his speech, briefed about the achievement and activities done between 2021 and 2022 with all the shareholders. It was also informed that several ideas and policies to render the best service towards the society for the term 2022-2023 was also discussed.
LEMS এখন only PDS business টোই নহয়, তাৰ বাদেও আপোনালোকে ডিপোজিট মোবিলাইজেশ্যন কৰিব পাৰে, আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকে ফাৰ্মিং কৰিব লাগে, ফাৰ্মিং বিজনেছটো কৰিব পাৰে, আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকে ফাৰ্টিলাইজাৰ বিজনেছটো কৰিব পাৰে। তো বহুতখিনি ব্যৱসায় আপোনালোকে LEMSৰ জৰিয়তে কৰিব পাৰে।
Internal auditor was also appointed from among the public to monitor the services provided by the Dokmoka large-size multipurpose cooperative society LEMS Limited.
Kimi internal auditor po hisapen nilitum dinitiron panalang lipane point ponlo.
Bangkon pala.
Inuwet.
Samsung Test report from Dokmoka for Karbinglong Live.